If your strategy is still to put dollars into Facebook and Google ads, then you're burning money. You've already lost the game. Ad costs are up 300%, and privacy updates have blinded the tracking. And let's be honest, we are in a trust recession. People don't trust businesses who appear in sponsored ads. They trust a friend who wouldn't stop talking about your business. I'm officially calling it. Paid ads for businesses are dead. In this video, I'm going to show you why I'm betting my entire 7-figure business on the Raving Fan marketing. I'm going to show you how to turn your current clients into your most aggressive sales team for free. You see, when you run ads, you're renting the attention. And your landlord, which is Google, Meta, or TikTok, just raise the rent so high that you can't afford to live there anymore. And the moment you stop paying, your leads stop flowing. The Raving Fan marketing is about owning the attention. It's the shift from a transaction to a transformation. This year, the only way to beat the algorithm is to be so good that people feel socially obligated to tell their friends and family about you. Let's say you spent $2,000 on ads, but then your front desk sucks. It's just like spending $2,000 to tell the world that your office sucks. I'd rather take that $2,000 and invest it on an outrageous experience for my patients. So how do we create a Raving Fan? It's not about being nice. It's about the gap. The gap is the space between what the patient expects and what you deliver. In most clinics that are doing well, the gap is zero. Patients expect a clean room and a 20-minute appointment, and that's what they get. This creates a satisfied customer. But satisfied customers are silent. Raving Fans are created when you blow the gap wide open. And we use 3 specific touch points in this framework. The first one is the surprise follow-up. You can send an email or an email with a personal video message from the clinician an hour or 2 after the first visit. Second is the non-clinical gift. You can send them a book, a resource, a blog, or a YouTube video. All of these can help speed up their progress. And third, the celebration. Make the graduation from a care feel like they won the lotto. If you find this video helpful so far, I invite you to subscribe to our channel. Now, let's do the math that the ad agencies don't want you to see. A lead from a Facebook ad has a 10% conversion, let's say, and 0 loyalty. But the referral from a Raving Fan has an 80% conversion rate, and they've already been pre-sold on your value. When you focus on Raving Fans, your cost per acquisition goes down to 0 over time. Your lifetime value goes up because they stay with you for years. While your competitors are panicking about the cost per click this year, you'll be busy handling a waitlist of people who were referred by your community. This is how you build a business that's recession-proof. Stop buying friends with ads and start earning fans with excellence. Now, you can have the best marketing in the world, but if your team doesn't believe in the mission, they'll never create Raving Fans for you. To see how to create a team that builds fans, watch the next video.